Hey CC people, today we're going to be recreating one of my most watched YouTube videos, which is Cuban coffee but with brown sugar. And the first thing to do is to fill up the cafetera with water up to the water line, which is right below that little valve there that you see on the outside. And then you're going to fill up your insert with coffee. We do put a lot, some people don't like to, but we do like pack it in there. He put about, I think like 2-3 tablespoons, and then he like squishes it down so it can all get really packed. We like it very strong, and that's why we do this. Once you're done with that, just put it back where it belongs. And now we are going to close it up and put it back, and we are going to turn it on. Make sure it is tight or the water will leak out. So once you put it back on the base, just turn on the little button. And I'm using an electric cafetera, and if you go to my the items that I use, you can find the link for Amazon. We're gonna use brown sugar this time, so we're gonna put about 2 very like packed tablespoons, like about 2.5. And you can do less, but you want a lot of foam and thick foam, you need to use the right amount of sugar. So once the coffee starts brewing, oh, look at my little sign, Cafecito y Chisme, which means coffee and gossip. Super cute, got it on Facebook Marketplace. So the first coffee that brews is the strongest and the darkest, and that's the one we want to use for the foam. Add a little bit, not a lot, because if we're missing some, you can put more, but if you put too much, then it's not going to come out right. You guys have to mix this super vigorously. That's not ready. It needs to be really light brown. It needs to be a lot, and it needs to be super thick. Not ready yet. Keep mixing, keep mixing. It takes a while. It's going to hurt, but keep going. So while we're doing that, the rest of the coffee is still brewing. So just let it brew. Keep mixing your sugar. Keep getting your exercise for the day. I promise you it's going to be worth it. Now that's done. Look how delicious. Look how thick. And look how light. So incorporate the coffee back into it. And just pour the whole entire thing back in there. And then you're going to mix this. The foam is going to go to the top and the coffee is going to stay at the bottom. Mix super well. So you want to get all that sugar from the bottom, mix it into the coffee. Mix, 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 mix. Look at that. That is what you want to see. The foam is perfect. La espumita is perfect. Any cafeteria that you go to in Miami is going to have those little espressos with the little espumita on top. And that is Cuban coffee right there, guys. So to pour it, a little trick. You want to shake it, shake it, shake it, because you want that foam to fall. If you don't shake it and you pour it straight through, only the coffee will come out. The foam will all go to the back of it. So shake, 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 shake. I have such a funny story about this, but I do not want to say it right now. And it is a little inappropriate, but shake your coffee out. And yeah, look at the foam on top. It all goes right back to the top. Bye, guys.